Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing this afternoon? Devin Baptiste here, Black Diamond FX in the building. All right, so today I got a special supply and demand video coming for y'all. All right, and this is going to help you guys find your entry zones. It's going to help you pinpoint them a little better, for those times when you may have multiple zones, and you don't know what zone to take. All right. So pretty much today we're going to talk about premium, discount, and equilibrium. All right. Now, first of all, I know you guys heard it saying, you heard people say, because I used to hear this a lot when I first started trading, right? People would say that you have to buy low and sell high. And I'm like, okay, easy, buy low, sell high. So then I'll come to TradingView, right? And I'm like, okay, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. And then I'll look, and then price will be up here. I'll be like, all right, sell high. So am I supposed to sell from here? All right, and then, all right, well, how high is it supposed to go? Because high can be relative, right? And his price is coming down. Okay. So if I'm selling high, selling from the high, well then I only get this one chance right here because this is high, and down here is low. Wait, look, it went a little bit lower. Supposed to buy. Like I was so confused. But what they didn't explain to us is buy at the low of the range, sell at the high of the range. And they also did not explain market structure to us, right? And that's a key factor into trading in the right direction, into getting in the right trades, whether you're buying or selling. So today, I'm going to show y'all what they mean when they say buy low, sell high. So I'm going to pull this up. This is a setup that I found on USD Shelf. I found this earlier tonight. Now, of course, the market is closed, right? But this is a setup that I'll be waiting for when the market reopens Sunday and into the week, right? So let me show you guys something right quick. I have my special Fibonacci. All right, not this one, but let me change it. All right, this one right here. Let me put my levels on right quick. I got the price, but I don't have the levels on. Let me put the levels on just to show you guys levels. All right. I'm gonna turn the prices off for a second. All right. So of course, one is 100%, 0.5 is 50%, 0 is 0%, right? So when you're selling, all right, and the market is going down. Let's see. Which one of these I'm looking for? This one. Oops, I didn't want to do that. All right. All right. So when you're selling and the market is going down, all right. So what you want to do when the market is coming down, I don't know if you guys know already how to place your fibs, but I'm gonna tell you, you want to go from the swing high to the swing low. All right. So say for instance, we're gonna go from here. All right. Then you're gonna put it down here. All right. That's the swing high. Here to the swing low down here, right? So you see how we have the 100% here. When price comes all the way back, that's a 100% retracement. This is 1, which means 100%, 0.5, 50%, and 0 is 0%. Okay. So what you want to do when you're selling, when they say sell high, what they mean is sell from the high point of that range. And the high point is anywhere between 50% and 100. All right. Anywhere between 50 and 100. That's called premium. All right. That's called premium. When you sell, you want to sell at a premium in a premium. Okay. On the opposite side of that, say for instance, when they say sell high, that's what they mean. Sell from high up here, premium. All right, because 9 times out of 10, your zone is going to be somewhere, price is going to pull back to your zone. And your zone is going to be somewhere up in this area. It should be somewhere around up in there, right? All right. So, and on the opposite side, remember when you're selling, that's called premium right there. All right. Now, when you're buying, all right, and the price is going up, 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 up. All right. Now you want to come from the low to the high, right? And anything between wait. You want to go from low to, all right, yeah, you want to go from low to high. Anything down here, all right, anything down here, when you're going this way, this will be a discount. Just think about it like this. When you're buying something, would you want to buy it at a high price or a low price? You want to buy it at a low price. You don't want to buy it when it's high. You want to buy it at a discount, right? So this area is called discount. So when you're buying, anywhere between down here is discount, all right? And when you're selling, anything up here is premium. 50%, that's equilibrium. That's when things are neither cheap nor expensive, you know? That's equilibrium, it's pretty much equal. You don't wanna buy nor sell at equilibrium, all right? Most of the time, equilibrium will get broken. So you wanna wait. Now, something else I need to show you guys. There are certain levels that price like to go to and watch something. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna show you a sample, an example of it right quick. Let me erase this. Then I'm gonna go to the live chart to show you guys even better. All right, so let's pull it up. And I got different fibs. Fib 2. All right, so now I wanna put my levels on for you guys. Turn level on, take the price off. All right. So these levels, 62%, 70.5%, and 79%. When you get those retracements, those are areas where price is most likely to retrace back to. So when you're going up, when price is coming up, right? It's coming up, it came up here. All right. Most likely it's going to come down somewhere into here. Now, I said most likely. There are times when price will come all the way back down here. There are times when price will not even come past 50%. All right. If price don't come past 50%, leave it alone. Don't mess with it because it's going to come back. All right. That's a fake move right there. If it don't come past 50%, don't mess with it because it will come back. All right, it's gonna fake you out, it's gonna come back, and then it's gonna take off. All right. So this is your discount area when you're buying. All right. And when you're selling, let's flip it around right quick. Let me show y'all. Of course, when you're selling, you go top to bottom. All right. And when you're selling, you're coming down. All right. And you want price to retrace back up into my green area. All right. And this is your premium zone. You want to sell at premium. When you're selling your car, you want to get as much money as you can for it, right? You don't want to sell it for cheap. You want to get as much money as you can because you're selling. You want to make money. Just like when you're buying, you want to spend as less as possible, right? So you're buying at a discount, selling from a premium. Okay. Now watch this. Let's go to the live chart. Oh, in these areas, y'all can screenshot this or rewatch the video. 79%, 70.5, 62%. All right. Let's look at it on the live chart. Let me show y'all this right quick. I'm gonna show y'all this right here. And we're gonna see, okay. So we're making lower lows and lower highs, right? Now watch this. I'm going to mark from this swing high right here to this low right here. Look what happened. Look where price came. Right back into it. Boop. Right back into it. Now, hold on, let me see something, because I think I was expecting it to come back up to here. I think I did this whole swing. Hold on 1 second. I think I did this whole swing from here to here. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. This is the right one. All right. So this is what I was looking for right here. This whole swing. Now price did, you saw when I put it right here, price came back up into here, right? But look what happened. If you're familiar with liquidity, this is liquidity, create equal highs. So it did. But then when I put it on the big one, look, it came right back to 50%. And when I told you, if it come back to 50%, no, we don't mess with it, right? Because it will come back up and past 50%. And look what's at this, look what's in our area. Boom, supply zone right up in here. Look, we got a supply zone. What else we have? We have our inefficiency, right? We have our minor breaker structure, right? Came down. We got expansion. The expansion from this consolidation right here, right? We have our retracement back, created liquidity. Now we expected it to come up. Now that it created liquidity, come up, take out the liquidity, tap into our zone, and then move its way down, right? So that's what I'm looking forward to. And that's why I marked this up as a zone. All right. I just wanted to show you guys that. All right. Let's see if we can find an additional one. All right, quick. Let's see, because this one was already drawn out. Let's see if we can find a fresh one. All right. Let's see what we got. Let's mark this right here. This is USD/JPY. If we go from there to there, all right. So look, we haven't came back all the way up yet. All right. There's a possibility that it will, but we're gonna leave that one alone for now. All right. So let's look for something else. Let's look at my favorite pair, GJ. All right, look what GJ is doing. GJ was coming up, came down. All right, GJ giving me signs that perhaps it's ready to start selling. Why? Number one, remember change of character we talked about in one of the early videos? Change of character right here. All right, change of character, breaker structure. Change of character. All right, we broke right there. Came back up, respected this zone up here. Started coming down. Okay, so let's see something. Let's see. If I put my fibs on, turn my magnet back on, put my fibs on from here to down here. Now remember I said a lot of times it's not gonna always come directly in. Sometimes it's gonna come past it. Sometimes it's not gonna even reach it. Look at this time it came past it. But still, we can still take it. We can still take it because why? We know we have our zone right up here. Let's go down to the lower time frame. Let's see. This zone, I think this zone might have been on a higher time frame. Let me see. Where did I find it? And look, it could be coming up to this zone right here. Let's see. Let me see something. If I mark this daily zone here to down here, well, then look what happened. Came down, retraced back to here. All right. Now, although it created liquidity almost similar to the other pair we just saw, USD/CHF. All right. Create some daily liquidity right here. All right. Let me mark that as my liquidity. All right. So see, we have a zone right up here. And then look, it's at the 79%. This zone is so that's a valid zone as well. And then look what happened. Look what happened. We broke this structure here. Watch this. We changed character here. Change character here. All right, we can label that. Our chart on the low side. All right. And then look what we have here. Liquidity, take it out, create it and take it out right there. Right. Let's label our liquidity on the low side. All right. Took out the liquidity. Right. Came back up, created this engineer liquidity right by this zone right here. So let's mark our zone. All right. Click on the magnet. Y'all bear with me, my keyboard acting up, but I'm gonna get it together. All right. Stretch it across. Change that to our supply and demand zone. All right. So I'm expecting it to come somewhere in there. And when I get something like this indecision candle, I like to mark. I use, watch this. I'm gonna show y'all something the trick that I use. All right, use my smart money fibs. Okay, see my fibs? I have 100, 50, and 0, the same fibs. A lot of times it's gonna come back up and you can set your entry at this 50% level. All right, now this is the daily chart. We're not taking trades on the daily chart. This is just to kind of show you guys. Really, I go down to lower time frames. All right, lower time frames. And then I look to see what I can find, right? So we can see this is the 2-hour expansion right here, little zone right here, right at 50%. All right, so I probably can mark, I'm gonna just mark it anyway. Excuse me, y'all. I'm gonna just mark it just to kind of see what happens with it. Now, this is not gonna start playing out until probably Sunday. Because remember, today's Saturday, market closed. All right, let's see. All right, and I like to target this low down here. All right, 1 to 9, 9.5 almost. That's a good 713 pips. All right. Now this is a 75 pip stop loss from here to here. Once this comes back into there, I'm going to wait, and then I'm going to start looking at my lower time frames, looking for my interest, right? But I just wanted to show you guys how to use Fibonacci to find those premium and discounted zones to help you find your trade entry or potential trade entry to be. Oh, no, wait, wrong one. Wrong fibs. Fibs 2. All right. Your potential trade entry. And it's right here at 79%. Right. Clean it up a little bit. All right. And I like to put my arrow down. All right. Now remember, we found this on a daily. So it's going to take some time to get back up. Actually, this is GJ. Actually, it might not take that long because GJ moves real fast. All right, GJ moves real fast. That's like 200 pips. I've seen GJ move 200 pips in no time at all. All right, but I just wanted to show you guys that how to use those premium and discounted Fibonacci zones, right, to find your potential entry areas. All right, and then even when you put them on there, if you know, even if you see your zone already, if you don't need it, just put it on and see how it lines up. Put it on, see how it lines up. Once again, it won't line up every single time. Nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is absolute in this market. All right. But that's why you have patience. That's why you have discipline. And that's why you develop the skill to learn and watch and wait. All right. Developing patience is a skill as well. Developing discipline is a skill as well. All right. So when price get back in your zone, you don't automatically take the trade. You wait. And there's things that we look for. There's confirmations, there's confluences that we look for before you get into the trade, right? And that's what we do, right? But I just wanted to show you guys that. And if you want to learn more, even deeper, in depth of how we trade in Black Diamond FX, message me. Leave a message below. My email, contact me on my email, contact me on Instagram at Black Diamond FX. The link is in the description below. My contact in the description below. All right. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, comment, hit that subscribe button, click that little bell. Holla at y'all later. I'm out.